contributor. He's the one who gave us the material. I'm not sure about
what them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
our contributor. He's the one who gave us the material. I'm not sure about when. You have to see with that, sir. Because people not really get.
Tell us about this place now. Tell us how this is your bedroom going to be.
Yeah, the structure.
Which one is
the bedroom?
This is the bedroom.
Is it in your bathroom?
And what's over there?
Okay.
Like, look at
No, auntie I don't live in the park.
Oh, fair room. That's the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you can't, no problem. No fear, no. She said she write that note to tell me in this country. Bounty Foundation is young, we just started. We can't take on everything, but this is one of the things we plan to take on right now. Ashley and I look at one room, and this is the room, and this is Ashley. Come let the media see Ashley. Yeah, so we decide we're gonna give her 100,000 Jamaican dollars. Here you go, Ashley. Come hold up here with pride, man. It's on behalf of the Bounty Foundation and the Belgravia Development and Innovative Home and Miss Camille Lee, who is unfortunately overseas. You know, you spoke to Camille. Well, this is just our little gratitude. We are offering you further beautiful room, and we wish you all the best in your endeavor, and just keep thriving in this hard time. Just keep your head up. Yeah, you can read it.
I would love to express my deep gratitude to the donors of his tremendous support. I just want to say a big thank you. I am honored and grateful. However, I would like to thank the Bounty Foundation, Mr. Clifton, and the Belgravia Foundation, and last but not least, Miss Camille Lee. A couple weeks ago, I called Miss Lee telling her what I was organizing to do and my expectations. I called her asking if she could purchase a door for the room I'm working on. Little did I know God had her plans for me. I'm still in denial to see all this happening right before my eyes, just like that, but I can say I am thankful and I value and appreciate the time and effort spent to get things in order for me. May God bless us all.
You're welcome.
So me love it. You understand? You see this brother, Bounty Killa, Ground Godzilla, Warlord, the General, Alliance Boss, real general this. Real general, nah say it for pretty up, nah say it for give him no good name. Bounty Killa, real general. Guess what Killa do? Come up how much years now? How much things this man do? Check the facts, you know. A Killa, you won't dance all, you know. And that's why sometimes me that say it and people say NEWLINK a foolish attack, you know. Killa, Killa forget the crown and be the man for the king of the dance hall, you know. Big Five, it was Killa. You do have Cartel, Mavado, Busy, Idonia. How much are the top dance hall entertainer them? We should not say it for Gibbon. But me gonna say Killa is do a lot for Jamaica. Because when he make one get to you rich, that one get to you who make rich, make another get to you rich, and that the one day. And just imagine how much Killa has given back to communities, especially in Seaview Gardens, from back then to now. The other day, when you see in the hospital and him buy a much bed, and he go and make a second trip and buy a much bed, and Killa still had the good, he still had the greatness. How much entertainers you see at Jamaica do things like this? How much we have way more money than Killa, and we have make big things. You understand? Me know Killa having money and Killa loaded. You understand? Me know Killa having things, Killa having food, because them wanna star up dance all in the 90s. You get me? I say, and come up in the 2000s. So them money have tune right now. People, if you notice, when the man being up on the clash with there, oh you mean you know the thing there, you know? When the man being up on the clash with there, people, what happen? You see one of the biggest thing ever. If you say any entertainer Jamaica can't do that. Cause some of the biggest game, most of them are the artist thing, I make them go up there and see how they go. You know, come like a loader. Nobody say it NEWLINK. But all I can say, Killa, respect you for what you do. You understand? And my roster respect your Killa. For what you do for the youths them at Jamaica. You do a lot and you are doing a great job, and I appreciate what you are doing in making our country and my country a better place and a safer place. Because when you, as I say, when you help one get the youth for better, the other get the youth to help another. And that's how the strength come. You understand? And I think Killa need to get more accomplishment from these government ministries. When I did hear them give out them something, them paper, something upon that special heroes day, something there, them need to give him one. Killa need to get one. No joke thing about it. And the man need to get back in visa. You understand? He need to get it back. Right now, if you don't want to give the money, alright, fine for me, you know. But Killa, give back in visa. If you don't want to give the money, that's good. Killa, yeah, this man doing a great job. Doing a really great, and the changes that Killa make coming up, you them man I used to hungry, cross and miserable. Look on Killa now. Respect is due, man. Real general. So keep it bounty Killa. Keep it pushing. Warlord, Rodney Price. Big up yourself, my brother. Alliance. You understand? Big up. Don't know the thing go. So you don't know viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man. And we say attack, and you don't know. When respect due, respect is given. Peace out and respect. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on IG, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK Production. On Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Remember, subscribe. Peace out.